So let's make a lead patch now. So what I'm going to do is just hit the record button, maybe dial back the decay time a little bit, and then just come up with a sequence like we did last time. So just kind of wing it and see what we get. So it sounds a little bit like a bass at the minute, so I might just quickly, I'm on the wrong one there, so we need to go down to SY raw and just focus on one oscillator for now. So you probably noticed the way that I come up with a lot of sequences is just by fumbling around until something sticks. That'll do. Not the most exciting melodic sequence in the world, but I just want to keep it within this 16 trig pattern just to make it really simple and easy while we just create the patch. So it's more about the sound design on this. Maybe I'll tweak that as we get the sound in and it becomes more inspiring. So let's just have a play around. So let's bring up oscillator 2. Doesn't sound too bad now I've brought that up. Let's go for a detuned lead like that. Sounds cool. Kind of like the square. I would do a ring, but we've done ring modulation already. Just go for a classic kind of saw detuned vibe. I'm not going to use too much distortion because I noticed it really breaks up the noise on this. Let's just start by, don't want to make it too plucky. Something like that's quite nice. Let's add some attack this time because we keep making quite snappy little sounds like this. But for this one, not really liking that noise that much. Probably too much resonance as well. That sounds pretty cool. Yeah, let's go for detune. Are you enjoying this Syntakt tutorial and would you like to develop your Syntakt skills even further? Well, I do have a 14-hour Syntakt Mastery course available, which is split into 4 parts. The first part, the introductory course, is absolutely free and you can sign up to that by clicking on the link in the video description below. And then following on from that, we go through beginner, advanced and expert, which will take you through basic sound design right through to the advanced features and loads of tips and tricks which often people don't really think about. And I'll be pushing the Syntakt to its absolute limits. I will say though, the introductory course is super basic. It's basically there just to give you an idea of how courses are structured in the learning portal and also to give you an idea of my teaching style, which you are already familiar with from watching my YouTube videos. So don't wait, click on the link in the video description below, sign up, and I'll also send you some offers as well to get discount on the Syntakt Mastery courses. So my name's James Orvis and I hope you enjoy the rest of this tutorial. That sounds cool, let's go for that. Because it's a lead as well, we can go for a longer delay time. Make it really spacey, this maybe. So just putting on ping pong and then the width. Kind of like 1/8 dotted, so that's the default time, and we'll go for that. That's nice, and then we'll just add some reverb. Reverb delay make any patch sound great. So just put that on, it just spices it up. So I'm making this quite wet on purpose as well. I want it to be kind of like a bit trancey sounding. Maybe just ease off on that decay a little bit. Now we've got the delays and everything, the delay and the reverb, I feel like too much decay really swamps it, so I can pull them back a little bit now. Let's do the usual test. Let's bring in a kick, see how it sounds. Oh, that sounds cool. I actually meant to do the kick, but I've lowered the pitch of some of those notes. Kick's a bit trashy, but don't want to spend too much time kind of shaping that kick, just to see if the idea works, basically. Filter test.